Proverbs 18:22, he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. Hey guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing some laundry, but I was like thinking about something. So I've been listening to a lot of scriptures lately. Let me take a sip. And so how do you know, this is a topic, how do you know when God has sent you somebody? How do you know? What are the signs? I'm not sure what the title is gonna be yet, but these are some signs. So y'all know that song, like who God bless, no man curse, right? It's like a Jamaican song. I think Ice Sasha, who God bless. And then in Mark 10, chapter 9, I think it's therefore what God put together, what God has joined, let no man separate, I believe. And it's also in Matthew 16. It's in Matthew, I believe. Anyway, it's the same thing, because I don't know if y'all have the New Testament, the Old Testament. Y'all already know it's been rewritten 50,000 times, so you don't know the original. Anyway, we don't know. Now, this is how you know. So you know how you meet old people and you be like, oh my goodness, like y'all been together for how many years? And they be like, let's talk about my background though. But it's so namaste, right? So you meet old people and they be like, oh, we've been together umpteen years, right? And it's like 40 something years. They be like, did you ever cheat? How did y'all stay together? And the woman usually the one like, yeah, he did what he did and I took him back, blah, blah. But that's not it. It's the marriages that you see that they just finish each other's sentence, they just talking and they laughing and they kikiing, and you know they old, they like 80, 90, but they still young and they still vibrant, they're still in love, they still giggling, and he's still getting her flowers, and they still holding hands, doing public affection like some men don't like doing. I was just having a conversation with a guy. He gonna tell me, oh, I get that from you, you know, that you would like that. Of course I would like that, because I'm a real woman. You're not gonna show me off in the street? Psh, boy, I'm not really with that nonsense. Like, first of all, if I'm your woman, I'm your woman. Ain't nobody else. Because your mom, yes, but that's your mother. You're not sleeping with her. So you should be holding my hand. You should be walking. You should be holding my bag if I need you to. If we have children, you should be doing this, that, and the third. If you my man, that's what a man does. Let's not get it twisted. But anyway, that's on the next topic. Now, how you know? So you're not getting manipulated, you're not arguing, you're not fighting all the time, you don't feel like he's overpowering you. You don't feel like, you know, when you meet somebody and they make you feel like, oh, you have to change who you are for them because they don't like that. Oh, I don't like you reading the Bible. Oh, I don't like you with your hair short. Oh, I don't like you wearing makeup. Oh, I don't. And then all of a sudden you start realizing you're doing this trippiness that he tell you that he first of all, you met me like this. So if he didn't like you, he should have kept it moving. He should have kept it pushing. Like, ain't nobody begging nobody for no man, for no woman. But when you have like a emptiness inside, these narcissists, like I've been telling you, they could sense it. That's why it was so hard for me to do my last test, like to act stupid, like to act like I really like this guy. I was just like, oh my God. But you know, when God speaks to you, you have to do it. That's the foolishness. It's like, you have to do it. It's not to say foolishness, but when I know what I'm saying, but when you have to be foolish to the enemy, you have to play the part, right? You have to play like you dunce. So all my West Indians know what I'm saying, but to other people, you have to play like dunce means stupid in American, right? Or whatever. So I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna pretend, right? And then it's to see he kept actually going along and like trying to act like he was ruling me. Meanwhile, boy, I was the one playing you, because you're not even worth 2 pennies rubbed together. You there worrying about me and my pockets when you broke. You trying to come up off of me. Like, come on, man. Do better. So obviously you can't. That's why you trying to, people try to compete with a woman. A man can't compete with a woman. It can never happen. I don't care. In no lifetime. Egyptian, Russian, Roman, whatever time you want to go to, none. It don't work. Never. Now, how you know is because you won't get manipulated. You're not gonna get used. You're not gonna get played, lied to, cheated on, beat, hurt. You're not gonna get abused. You're not gonna get ridiculed. You're not gonna get tested. He's not gonna test you. He's not gonna compete with you. He's not gonna lie to you, use you. He's not gonna hide you, like keep you away from your family, your friends, people that care about you. He's not gonna manipulate your mind. He's not gonna mind F you. He's not gonna tell you things that bring you down, tear you down, break you down, make you feel less than. No, he's not gonna do that, because he's gonna be a man of God. You're gonna know a man of God when you meet. First of all, let me say something. Angels hide in plain sight. We already know that. Here I am. We already know that, right? So people, when they meet people, they jump into it, and they feel, when they get love bombed, they're like, oh my gosh, he told me he loved me, he told me he liked me, he told me I look good, but then a month, 2 months later, he telling you, I don't like this dress, I don't want you to go outside, don't do your nails, why you doing your hair, you got a man outside, don't do this, I'm gonna pick you up from work, you don't need to use your car, I'm gonna use it. Hold up. Stop the madness. Don't do that. That's control. Somebody will not control you. Listen, you will have a person that's your partner. That's your partner. He's not a karmic. These karmics, they supposed to be in your life to teach you a lesson, but y'all want to marry them. Y'all want to be like trying to prove your love and get, praise from them. Why? You're not a dog. You're not an animal. You don't need praise. You don't need nobody to tell you you're doing good. You know you're doing good. If you're doing good, you know it. Hello, common sense. But you will not get torn down. First of all, you could be married to somebody, they could rape you. Because if you say no, no means no. So let's get this straight. And women, they beat men. I used to have a problem with my hands. I used to beat the living life out of my ex-husband. I don't care. I don't care, because I'm changed now. But let me tell you something. Because I was raised beaten, because of my foster mom used to beat me, I felt like that was right. So you see, you got to watch who you meet. And when you meet men and they raised by somebody, a man used to beat them up, they going to beat you up, because they're not raised by a proper woman or a man, a parent, to tell them you're not supposed to hit a woman. So they hit you like you a man, right? That's why. And y'all thinking it's okay because he apologized and get you some little stupid gift. No. You gotta think with your head. Be logical. Don't think with your heart. Your heart don't got a brain. Your heart, this dun 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 dun, it doesn't have a brain. It's only meant to pump blood and oxygen through your body, your veins. That's it. To keep your mind going. That's it. Even after you die, your mind's still living, because the heart's still pumping. Once the heart stops, you stop. Hello. That's why people body, when they die, still be jumping. Thank you. Now, anyway, that's how you know. You supposed to be able to feel safe with the person that you're with, your partner. He's supposed to motivate you. She's supposed to motivate you. Y'all trying to lose weight, you're doing it together. You have the same goals. You don't meet somebody and they trying to compete. They don't have the same goals as you. You can't meet someone in another race or in another culture and you trying to be like them. No, don't change yourself for nobody. Don't change your culture. Don't change nothing. If you want to do it, but don't do it to try to please somebody, because that's how you get hurt. And then you bring your kids into this, and that's horrible. Then they hate the culture. Do you know that? They hate the culture. They hate it. And they just pretend because you the parent. That's what kids do, pretend. I did. Come on now. You're trying to please, people please. It starts from when you're young. You people please. And you do it when you're older. So y'all need to be aware, be mindful of these people that you meet. Because people that sleep around, they have entities attached to them. And you sleeping with those entities, that's why you can't sleep at night. That's why you be tossing and turning. That's why you get your vagina and your downstairs area. And the men, y'all have issues. Because the other people they was with, they have stuff they was doing. Don't let these people fool you. Don't let them. You cannot, listen, you can't be married and still acting single. That don't work. That's not that not gonna make it. Nah. I just want to pop on and tell y'all people stop it. All y'all married people that want to act like y'all single, y'all out here dating single people, spreading STIs and STDs. It's nasty. Y'all are nasty. And it needs to be stopped because you ruining marriage, what marriage is really about, the union, the real love. That's why people don't believe in love, because of what's going on now. They don't believe in love. And I'm supposed to be spreading, love, raising the vibration, but look what y'all doing. So you have to be mindful. If you happy, stay away from nasty people. Stay away from bad-minded people. Stay away from people that's negative. Stay away from people that want to tear you down. If you're a good mother, you're a good father, stay away from slackness. Stay away from people that mistreat their kids. Because let me tell you something. Your child is watching. They watching. Be mindful. Because birds of a feather stick together. They flock together, right? My mom used to tell me that. Listen, stop with the foolishness. I'm gonna keep saying it every video. I'm gonna have to say it. Stop with the foolishness, because it's really stupid. I'm 40 and I'm really tired of it. Stop. Y'all need to stop. Grow up. Stop being 50 and 60 and 40 trying to act like you 20 and you all this cougar business, and stop it. Would you like some old lady dating your little boy, your son, that's like 20 and she 50 or whatever she is? That's stop. It's sick. I can't. Anyway, guys, let's try to be the reason someone smiles today, and let's get this channel to what I want, 5K, 10K, I don't know, but let's get this channel up. And check out my Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen, and protect your energy, you know what I'm saying? And be smart, be wise. Stop messing around with these people early. Stop sleeping with people quick. Stop. Just get to know somebody. And if he a cutie, he a this, or she a hottie, whatever, don't look at that, because she get into an accident tomorrow and look like the Grim Reaper. She could look like Freddy Krueger, and he could look like, okay, have no legs. You're gonna be pushing that wheelchair. Think about that. You're gonna be cleaning them. Don't do it, because people, they will leave you in a heartbeat. Soon as you stop working and lose a job, they going to the next person that they was really with. Wake up, people. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thanks for my donations to my channel, and thanks for my Etsy shop getting sold out. I got sold out orders. Thank you, guys. I appreciate y'all, everyone, all my new people, my new subscribers. Namaste. And you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you for stopping, clicking on my video, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Okay, I forgot to add this in. So the person that's meant for you is not going to be jealous. It's going to be an even give and take. You're not going to have to beg them for anything. They're not going to be trying to rob you, trying to steal from you. And they're going to be understanding, caring, loving, everything, protective. They're going to treasure you. You understand? That's a godly person. They're going to pray with you, okay? They're going to basically be your counterpart, your other half, your yin to your yang, all right? That's what I forgot. So, yeah, they won't be territorial. Like, you're not their property. They'll treat you like they're equal.